Look how cute they are. Ooh. Oh, oh. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to follow us on social media, on Twitter and Instagram, and yeah. So as you guys can tell by today's title of the video, we are going to be doing something very different. Yes, something a first time baking together. So as you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be baking. The setting is different. As you can see, we're going to be in the kitchen, and we're going to be baking cinnamon rolls. So without a waste of time, let's get into the video. Okay, so we are doing cinnamon rolls, and we're going to be using the recipe from Recipe Critiques, which we will link in the description box. We're going to times the recipe by 3, so triple the recipe, and we're going to show you now the ingredients of our recipe and the quantities. Yes, guys, we also want to announce basically that we are starting a series. Is that what they call them? Yeah, like basically a playlist of videos. We are starting a cooking together series, a RXP cooking together series, because we want to learn how to cook, because why not? You know what I'm saying? So yes, we hope you guys enjoy it, and let us get started. First, we have flour. So in the initial recipe, it says 2 cups and 3/4. So we tripled it by 3, obviously. That is why it's a lot. Yes. And then we have obviously the cinnamon, because it's cinnamon. Yeah. Salt. Okay, so guys, we're not gonna talk about the quantities all the time, but maybe we'll tell you guys about it when we voice over. But as we're baking, we're not going to. Milk. Eggs. 3 eggs, milk, sugar, sweet, okay, and lastly water, warm water. Okay, so we are going to get started. We are going to fast forward the whole process, because I'm sure you don't want to watch us bake for 45 minutes. So yeah, let's get started. Step number 1, always wash your hands. Step number 2, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Step number 3, add all the dry ingredients together. So in the bowl, or however you say it, you can add your flour, your sugar, your yeast, and your salt, and then mix them all together. Step number 4, mix all your wet ingredients together, which is the butter, warm water, and milk. Then heat the ingredients until the butter is melted, and then mix afterwards. Now it's time to mix the dry and wet ingredients together. Alternate between pouring the wet ingredients and mixing them together. You can tell by the expressions on my face that this is not an easy thing to do. Add the eggs to the dough mixture and then knead the dough mixture for about 5 minutes. I like cooking more than baking in general. Baking more than cooking. So we're gonna do the cooking at my house and the baking here, because we have a professional baker in the house. And cooking.
My lover.
You can cook.
A lot of things.
But you.
Once you are satisfied with the dough mixture, take it out of the bowl and place it on a floured surface, and then now it is time to roll.
Okay, so now guys, we are done with the dough and
We are now
done
going
with
to
the
make
dough.
the filling.
The filling. And yeah, let's continue.
For the filling, melt the butter and then spread it out on the rolled out dough. In a separate bowl, add the sugar and the cinnamon together.
Fact, guys, actually, let us tell you the truth. I hate baking
With sugar.
with all of my life.
I love baking with
Yeah.
all of my life.
So we're going to alternate between baking and cooking.
Cause she loves
Because
cooking.
I love cooking, I prefer cooking.
Not that
Now I
much.
have to go home and look up a recipe that we're gonna do for you guys. So yeah, you know, what do they say? Differences, opposites attract. Yes, we have a baker and we have a cooker.
Now we are done with the making the filling. Basically, it was just like tablespoons of cinnamon and then sugar. So now we're going to sprinkle it over and spread it, and it's gonna be fun. Okay.
After the filling, it is now time to roll up your dough. Remember to be careful when you do this. After rolling, cut it up into equal parts, and also please be careful when doing this.
Don't they look like
Amazing!
so beautiful? I'm going to put them in the oven.
They'll see you after 45 minutes. Look how cute they are. Ooh. Oh!
Cloudy. Okay, yes. Now I have to clean out this mess.
Okay, guys, so we are waiting for the cinnamon rolls.
They're burning. Oh my god. They're burning. Guys, they're burning. Oh my god. Guys, we almost burnt our rolls. What? Oh my soul. So guys,
They're done. They're done. Well, the first batch is done.
yes.
And right
so
now we took a
first
piece.
taste. Let's go. Exquisite.
That was amazing. I loved them, and I hope you guys enjoyed the process with us too.
Yes, this was
Unfortunately, you can't
amazing.
taste.
Yeah.
You guys can't taste. Okay, maybe.
Khali khali. Where's the camera? Oh, sorry guys. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And please give us recipes or things that you guys want us to make. Challenge us. We are ready for the challenge. We want to show you guys that we can actually do more than you guys think we can. So please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow us on social media, Twitter, Instagram. We'll see you guys in our next video, baking cooking video, whatever.
The next video.
Bye guys.